Hi everyone, this is Ima Graphics, and on this channel I take you through step-by-step tutorial on how you can perform graphic design work, and we also touch other packages like Photoshop and the likes. Alright, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, or if you want to see more of my content, kindly subscribe to this channel and stick to the end of this video. So this video is actually a request video from Chris. So Chris wants to know the usefulness of feather, feather that we have on CorelDraw. That's the feather. So feather, you can locate your feather. If you don't know what he's asking, you can locate your feather on effects. So when you go to your menu, you click on menu, you click on menu, you click on blur, this will be your feather. Let me select this so that you can see properly. So you click on effect, click on blur, you click on effect. So this is the feather. This is what it's talking about. So it's asking what this feather, what's the usefulness of this feather. So the usefulness of this feather is actually simple. What this feather does is to blend the edge of this thing. And for instance, this white that we have here, the feather, what the feather will do is to remove this white and allow just the green to cover and blend it together with the black that we have here. So the green here will blend with the black, and then it will get rid of this white, because you don't need the white, you don't want to see the whites here. So you want to blend this white together with the black and the green, just green and black, and get rid of the white. So that's what this feather here can do for you. All right, this is the feather. So let us go ahead and try that and see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select, once you have your subject, so you just select it like that. Select the image. As you can see, we are going to get rid of this white here. So select the image and click on effect, click on blur, click on feather. All right, the feather will get rid of it, as you can see. So the white is already off. So this is where you will be able to increase the settings, like either you increase it to get rid of it or you reduce it. So if I reduce this, you can see that the white is coming back. So if I click on this side, you can see that the white is going away. So I'm just going to leave it at 25 and then click OK. So you can also toggle around this particular side, and either if you want Gaussian, if you want curve, if you want linear. So I think I'm okay with the curve. So curve is fine. Then the white should be 25, and just click on OK. So as you can see, we were able to get rid of the white. So as you can see, the black, now this green is already blended with the black. So that is actually the function of this particular feather features that we have there. So as you can see, this is after and this is before. That's see, before we have this, then this is before, and that is the after. So tell me what you think right under the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.